In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach documents and images in Smartsheet. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along in real time. Start by opening your browser and heading to smartsheet.com. Sign in the way you normally do and make sure you're in the workspace where your project lives. From there, open the project sheet you want to work with. If you have multiple sheets, choose the one that needs the file or image. Attaching in the right place keeps your team aligned and saves time later. Once your sheet is open, look for the Attachments option in the Smartsheet interface. You'll typically see an Attachments button or a paperclip icon. Click it to open the attachment panel for this sheet. This is the space where all files tied to the sheet are listed, making it easy for collaborators to preview, download, or reference the latest assets. Next, choose the Browse option. This opens your computer's file picker. Navigate to the folder where your document or image is stored. Take a second to confirm you're selecting the correct version. Using clear, specific file names helps a lot, especially when you're working in a shared environment. You can attach common document types like PDFs and Office files, as well as standard image formats like PNG and JPG. Select the document or image you want to upload, then click Open. Smartsheet will begin uploading right away. Depending on your connection and file size, this might take a moment. When it's done, you'll see the file listed in the Attachments panel. That's your confirmation that the upload was successful. If you don't see it, refresh the panel and double check that your network connection is stable and the file isn't unusually large. From here, your team members with access to the sheet can view or download the attachment. If you need to attach more files, simply repeat the same process. Open Attachments, click Browse, select the file, and click Open. For quick organization, try grouping related documents by naming them consistently, like adding dates or version numbers. And if you prefer a faster method, many browsers support dragging a file directly onto the sheet to initiate an upload. Just be sure you drop it in the attachments area so it lands in the right place. That's all there is to it. By going to Smartsheet, opening your project sheet, clicking Attachments, browsing for your file, selecting it, and clicking Open, you'll keep your documentation and visuals neatly tied to the work your team is doing.